So if you're a content writer, you are a copywriter, you are a student, you need to do your assignment and you need to paraphrase your assignment, or you need to remove plagiarism from your work, from your written words, this particular website that I'm about to share with you is for you. And the name of the website is QuillBot. So QuillBot, what it does basically is that it helps you to proofread your text, it helps you paraphrase, it will also help you remove plagiarism from your text, and it can also help you summarize the whole document. It has so many amazing features that I'm going to share with you today. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So on this channel, what I do basically is that I teach people how to make money online, and I come here to share apps and tips that has worked for me. I come here to share it with you guys so that you can also utilize it. So in today's video, I want to share with you how you can get the QuillBot Premium for free. As we all know that QuillBot is an amazing app that you can use to do many things like proofreading, plagiarism remover, summarizing your document, and so many things as relating to writing. All right, but the downside, it has a downside. The downside is if you want to use most of the amazing features on QuillBot, you will have to pay. You have to subscribe to their premium version of the QuillBot, and that is why I am making this video. So I will show you how you can get QuillBot premium version for free. So let's head over to my screen while I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your browser. In this video, I'll be using Firefox. You can decide to use Google Chrome or whichever browser that suits your choice. So this is QuillBot. This is my normal account. As you can see, it's not in premium yet. It's asking me to upgrade. Now, here's the thing. So you come over to your browser and you type in Firefox extension. If you are using Google Chrome, just use Google Chrome extension. But in this case, I'll be using Firefox extension. So just add it to your browser, then go ahead and click on QuillBot. Yeah, in the extension, as you can see. So you click on enable the QuillBot. In Chrome, I think it will tell you to add or something. So you enable it, right? As you can see. Then you go ahead and pin it. So the next thing you want to do is to go back to the extension and type in violent monkey. So the first suggestion it will bring, that's the one you're going to click. You're going to click on it and you come over to this space where you click on enable. So if you click on enable, you can see that it has added to the top of the extension button. So you can just pin it so that it will not go down when you add other extensions. So we already have QuillBot extension and violent monkey. So the next thing you want to do, if you come to this extension, you can see that both of them are on. So you leave it on. So you go back to your browser and type in greasyfork.org. So it's going to take you straight to this website where you're going to come to the search bar and type in QuillBot. So if you type in QuillBot, you're going to see that it will bring out this QuillBot Premium Unlocker. So you just go ahead and click on that. Then afterwards, go ahead and install. It is writing reinstall in my own because I've installed it before. But in your case, if you're trying it for the first time, it's going to bring out install. So go ahead and install it. Come back to QuillBot, refresh, and we have the premium already. We have the premium tag already on the QuillBot. So let's try and paraphrase some article. Let's see if the premium version is going to work. So I'll just head over to the random website where I'll copy this and I'll go back to QuillBot and paste it. Let's see if it will work. So if you come here, you can see that it has even exceeded the number of words that you will not normally use if you are not on premium, right? So you just go ahead and click on paraphrase. So you can see that my text are already being paraphrased already. So you can come to grammar checker. You can use the grammar checker. You can use the AI detector. So let's try the AI detector. For instance, let's see if that will also work as well. So I'll go ahead and paste the text again. So let's copy this and paste it here. So let's see if it is going to detect if this write-up is human written content or AI written content or what have you. Okay, so I've pasted it, you can see, and I'll click on detect AI. So here you can see the result. It has given me the result, and it is saying that the result is 0% of text is likely AI. So it has given me the results within minutes. So you can also use some other amazing feature of this QuillBot. You can see the one we paraphrased before. It has fully paraphrased our text without me having to pay. So you can check out the description for the links of all the websites that I've mentioned in this video. You can check it out. So you guys, if you loved watching this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload another video related to this, you'll be the first person to get notified and get benefits of the essential information I have to share. Till I come your way again in my next video. Bye guys.